In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off banner notifications and sounds in Microsoft Teams. If Teams notifications are popping up too often, making sounds, or distracting you during the day, this quick settings change can make your experience much calmer and easier to manage. We'll go through exactly where to click so you can reduce interruptions while still keeping important activity visible inside Teams. First, open your Microsoft Teams account and make sure you're on the main app screen. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the window. There you'll find the More Options icon. Click it to open the drop-down menu, then select Settings. This is where Teams lets you customize how the app behaves, including alerts, sounds, and on-screen pop-ups. When the settings window opens, move to the left-hand panel and click Notifications and Activity. This section controls how Teams gets your attention both visually and with sound. To turn off notification sounds, look for the sound section. In that area, find the option labeled Play Sounds with Notifications and uncheck it. Once this is turned off, Teams will stop making sound alerts when new notifications come in. This is especially useful if you work in a shared space, attend frequent meetings, or simply prefer a quieter workspace. Next, if you also want to stop banner notifications from appearing on your screen, stay in the same notifications and activity area and look for the display section. Here you can uncheck settings such as show message and content previews and notifications, and the options for showing notifications during calls and meetings. Disabling these helps prevent pop-up banners from interrupting your focus, especially when you're presenting or on a call. After that, find the chat section. In this area, you'll see notification settings for chat, message notifications, mentions, and likes and reactions. For each of these, use the drop-down menu and change the setting to off or show in activity, depending on how much visibility you want. Choosing off disables the alert entirely, while show in activity keeps the update inside the Teams activity feed without triggering a banner notification. That's a good middle ground if you still want to review updates later without being interrupted right away. Once you've made these changes, your notification experience in Microsoft Teams should feel much more controlled and less distracting, and that's it.